Hi, this is Derek Willard, head of school at Augusta Prep, here with a personal invite for you to come to our open house on November 11th. Augusta Prep is the top-rated 2-year-old through 12th grade independent private school in the Augusta area. We want you to come check us out for several reasons. Number one, we want you to learn about our top-rated academic program. For example, just last week, 7 of our seniors were recognized by the National Merit Scholar Program. Hey, we'd also love you to come learn about our amazing enrichment and extracurricular programs. We have amazing elective offerings during the day and also after school. So whether your child's interested in arts or STEM or athletics, we cater to all kinds of interests here on campus. And I also want you to come learn about affordability. You may think that a private school education is a bit out of reach for your children and your family. But here at Augusta Prep, we have numerous scholarships and financial aid to help make a private school education affordable. For 61 years, we've been here teaching kids how to think, not what to think. And we'd like you to come learn what that means at Augusta Prep. So meet us here on November 11th from 9 to 11 a.m. on Flowing Wells Road, and I look forward to seeing you then.